The nucleus itself is usually in the center of the cell, and it is your largest of the organelles. It is not, however, found in the cytoplasm. If I ask you to give me some organelles found in the cytoplasm, please do not say the nucleus because that's not where it's located. The cytoplasm, remember, is between the cell membrane and the nuclear membrane. Now, the nucleus itself has a double membrane around it. Just like the double membrane that surrounds your cells, there is a phospholipid membrane that surrounds the nucleus. And we call it the nuclear envelope or the nuclear membrane. It doesn't matter to me which one you call it. But the nuclear envelope is going to have these channels in it through which things can pass. Some stuff has got to be able to get in and some stuff has got to be able to get out. And those channels are called nuclear pores. If you look at this picture, this entire purple section here is the nucleus, and you can see these little tan portions on the top. Those are actually the nuclear pores that are in the nuclear membrane or the nuclear envelope. Inside this really dark area is called the nucleolus or the nucleolus, whichever you want to call it, and it's actually designed to make ribosomes. So ribosomes are going to have to leave, and they will leave through nuclear pores, and at the same time, the DNA that is inside the nucleus is going to have to make a piece of RNA. Remember, DNA cannot leave, but it has to get its protein recipe out to be assembled so it will make a piece of RNA. So what needs to leave is going to leave through these nuclear pores. Now, I just said within the nucleus is the nucleolus. This is a big picture of the nucleus, and this dark area is called the nucleolus. And it's very, very dense, and its job is to make ribosomes. And ribosomes are going to be where the proteins are put together. Remember, we have amino acids that make proteins, and those amino acids are joined by peptide bonds. Well, those amino acids all get assembled on the ribosome. The DNA has the code for which amino acids need to be in that recipe. But what is putting them together? The ribosome puts them together, and when it does, it's all happening outside of that nucleus because it was able to leave. That piece of RNA is holding the code and is able to leave through the nuclear pore. So it's very, very important that there are openings in that nuclear envelope for things to be able to pass.